How quickly fortunes can change in the financial landscape. In the blink of an eye, Bitcoin's price skyrocketed from $10,000 to a staggering $59,000 within a few months, leaving both seasoned investors and casual observers in awe of its meteoric rise. The whispers of a potential surge to over $100,000 in 2024 are becoming more than mere speculation, they are gaining traction as a plausible reality. This surge is not just about numbers on a screen, it signifies a shift in perception. Bitcoin, once seen as a volatile and speculative asset, is on the brink of being acknowledged as digital gold. The scarce nature of Bitcoin, mirroring the precious metal, lends itself to this comparison, and as we approach 2024, more people are expected to recognize its intrinsic value. A significant milestone in Bitcoin's journey to mainstream acceptance was the record-breaking debut of its exchange-traded fund, ETF, trading. The impressive volumes of $4.6 billion on the first day signal a growing appetite for exposure to the cryptocurrency. This success is not merely a testament to Bitcoin's popularity but also an indication of a broader trend, a shifting tide in favor of digital assets. However, the path to this point has not been without hurdles. Bitcoin faced its fair share of skepticism and criticism, often from those within traditional financial circles. The understanding of this decentralized digital currency has been a gradual process, and despite the initial skepticism, education is gradually dispelling misconceptions. The success of the Bitcoin ETF is more than a financial triumph. It symbolizes a potential influx of capital into the cryptocurrency market. As more investors recognize the legitimacy of Bitcoin as an asset class, the market is poised for increased inflows. This influx of institutional and retail capital could further drive the price higher, fueling the narrative of Bitcoin as a store of value. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, anchored by its proof-of-work consensus mechanism, distinguishes it from centralized blockchains. The comparison is often drawn to other prominent cryptocurrencies like XRP and Stellar, which are perceived as more centralized due to their governance structures. This decentralization is a key feature that contributes to Bitcoin's resilience and security. The permissionless nature of Bitcoin is lauded, offering users freedom from reliance on traditional financial entities. In a world where trust in centralized institutions is eroding, the appeal of a financial system that operates without the need for intermediaries is undeniable. Bitcoin, with its peer-to-peer transactions and censorship-resistant properties, embodies this vision of financial autonomy. Beyond being a digital currency, the blockchain technology underpinning Bitcoin is poised to revolutionize the way we record and track assets globally. The prediction that every global asset will eventually find its place on Bitcoin's ledger system is a bold one, but the potential is undeniable. The transparency and immutability of the blockchain provide a robust and trustworthy foundation for recording ownership and transactions. Bitcoin's triple-entry accounting system is a cornerstone of its security and immutability. Every transaction is independently verified by multiple nodes on the network, creating a level of transparency and trust that traditional accounting systems struggle to match. This system not only safeguards against fraud but also serves as a historical record, laying bare the entire transaction history of each Bitcoin. As we navigate the complex world of finance, the flaws within traditional banking systems become apparent. Instances of corruption, such as money laundering, arms dealing, and gold price manipulation, tarnish the reputation of these institutions. Bitcoin's transparency stands in stark contrast to these issues, offering a system where every transaction is visible and traceable. The hypocrisy within traditional banking is exposed when a bank CEO, quick to criticize Bitcoin for potential involvement in money laundering, presides over a bank that faces fines for manipulating the price of gold. This irony underscores the need for a re-evaluation of the existing financial paradigm. Bitcoin, with its decentralized and transparent architecture, presents a viable alternative. Drawing parallels between Bitcoin and gold is not merely metaphorical. Bitcoin's token, akin to the precious metal, serves as a store of value. Its limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, contributes to its scarcity and reinforces its value proposition. However, Bitcoin goes beyond being a digital gold. Its underlying network is hailed as the most powerful global computing platform. The true potential of Bitcoin lies not just in its price or comparisons to traditional assets but in its ability to become the foundation for a new era of digital finance. The prediction that more assets will migrate to Bitcoin's ledger system is not just speculation, it's a logical extension of the advantages offered by blockchain technology. Eventually, the ledger system could become the repository for recording all global assets. As we stand on the precipice of this financial revolution, it's crucial to acknowledge the concerns that accompany such transformative shifts. The fear of the unknown, especially in matters as intimate as personal finances, can be paralyzing. However, history has shown us that progress often emerges from upheaval, and the adoption of cryptocurrencies may be the next phase in this evolution. The financially dire situations that some may find themselves in amplify the urgency for a solution. The traditional financial system, riddled with inefficiencies, inequalities, and vulnerabilities, may not be the haven it once seemed. Bitcoin's rise, driven by its decentralized nature, transparent ledger, and the promise of financial autonomy, suggests that a new era is dawning. It's essential, however, to approach this shift with a balanced perspective. While the potential for exponential growth exists, it's equally important to navigate the risks and uncertainties inherent in any evolving financial landscape. Education and understanding will continue to play a pivotal role in demystifying Bitcoin and its associated technologies, paving the way for broader adoption and acceptance. In conclusion, the story of Bitcoin's journey from skepticism to potential global adoption is a testament to the power of decentralized technologies in reshaping the financial landscape. As we gaze into the future, the narrative of Bitcoin as digital gold, the success of its ETF, and the promise of a ledger system recording every global asset indicate a paradigm shift. How we navigate this shift, with an awareness of both potential and challenges, will shape the trajectory of finance in the years to come. Please go ahead liking, subscribing, and sharing with friends to support our content. The information is for general purposes. Viewers should conduct research and consult professionals for financial decisions.